Okay, so in this video, I want to show you guys how to create a logo for free and it to look really professional, and it's really easy. So first you want to download an app called Canva. I would recommend signing up for, you get a 30-day free trial. Cancel before the trial ends. You don't have to pay a dime. I also recommend just getting it. I have, I think I pay like 15 bucks a month and I use it a ton. But if you're just looking to get like one logo done, really one time, or need to do just one design, the free trial is awesome. So I'm gonna open this up, and then if you click on this 3-line menu here, click on create a design, and let's just say logo right there. And it's going to pull up this search bar here, right? And so we're just gonna say laundry service. I already searched it just a minute ago, but we're just gonna type in laundry service. And again, you can also do this on your desktop. I'm just doing it on my phone because you can do it in either place. So let's just say laundry service, search, and now it's going to give us all of these logos that have already been created. And you can use these. And so you just keep scrolling down until you find one find one you like, and you can go ahead and use it. So I really like, I think my favorite one's this one up here. So you go ahead and click here. Just a quick note here, you cannot claim exclusive rights to these logos, resell them, or trademark them, but you can use them. Now you can adjust it. So this is Waves Laundromat, but that's not me. Let's just say Brian's Laundromat. And we can just say that's laundry, but we'll call this laundromat, right? Or whatever you want to call it. And you're done. Now you can also change and adjust this if you want this maybe a little bigger. We'll increase the size on here. Whoops, undo. I like to make it a little bigger, like that. And then I like this logo a little bigger as well. And it automatically, I think, is set for 500 by 500. And just whatever you think works. Honestly, a lot of the logos are already pretty sharp, so I don't really do a lot of adjustments. And plus, I've been in small business long enough to know your logo, especially just starting out, is definitely not the most important thing. Keep it simple. So I've got this, and now I need to download it. So if you go to the top right, you're gonna see an arrow down. You click on that, and it says save as image, and it's literally preparing my design inside of my phone, and it's been saved inside my photos. Now it's the same for the desktop. There's a button at the top right where it says, I think it says export or download it. You click on it and you can download it right to your computer. So once you're done with that, you can find your photos because we downloaded it, and there it is right here at the bottom right. And now I have it saved. And now you can upload it, send it. That's it. Hopefully that helps. Okay, bye.